That happened.
I had this problem where I don't know if it's +1 or -1 sometimes, or like if it's included or if I should calibrate for it. And if it's just off by 1, it glitches out.
Oh,
So this is in method node list. Method node list line 98. Okay. So we go here.
ah.
Okay. Hey, Bleach, you back?
Nope.
Bleach,
Yeah.
are you back?
I've been back for a while. I've just been zoning out. I have a just really bad headache.
Okay. No question for you. I need to find that bug that just happened. What script is this? Equals obj. Okay. Oh, why?
This one. Oh no, I don't want.
I don't know why. What does the error say?
Oh, it's there.
What's wrong with this? OBS makes it so hard to do things. Right now, OBS has some weird glitch where it doesn't have a minimize button on it, and it doesn't have a start or an X button. So,
Oh,
like, how the heck am I supposed to minimize this thing? And it's just stuck on always on top. Here it is. This is the screen I was looking for. And Game Maker likes to put its own windows on top when I'm looking for the main Game Maker windows. This is what it's like to be unorganized. So I need to get people to think about what's going on in their head and the simple things they can do to address that. So I was working on this method shaker, new method, Hayden helper, save method, help Hayden find bigger shapes.
oopsie.
Save it. Cool. Then we edit this one. Add a node. No. Add a node. So we type in count. Oh no, I did it again. Let's see. This thing is an unknown variable. Node column. This is annoying. So somewhere in the line, node column is not being created. So let's just try that. So I was gonna make a script and then have it look at the board, and whenever the board has a large number of lights, to make a sound effect, right?
Okay.
And if Hayden runs this in the background while he's normally doing his stuff, why? You're saying I coded incredibly sloppily? Yes, I did. And if he's and I kind of want to make this tool to help him break out of his current way of doing things. I need to help other people switch up their strategies too, so I might do a thing. Count. Okay, count lights. Oh, okay, then it doesn't work. How about that? You happy? You happy feature that I don't know how to fix because it's just a UI, but it's so annoying. It's trying to count the number of things that are in the column, so it knows how many more it can scroll down. For whatever reason. Add a node. So we'll just say scan for known pattern. Cool. Okay, so now we'll add a node, and we're just gonna say count the lights. Cool. We'll count the lights. I forgot how my own system worked. But if this is true, it's gonna play the next node, and we're gonna say count the lights. And then we add another one and say well, it's count the light, then we want to play a sound effect. If I type something in here, it's gonna glitch. If output is another. So we count the lights. It's gonna look at this one and say like, what is this output? And what we want it to be is a minimum of 18 lights, right? Boom. If this is true, we want to, let's go ahead and save this. If this is true, we want the next node to play a sound effect. So that's hopefully right. Yep. Why you do this? variable out of range. Okay. But then you look for and then you look for the node that says play a sound effect, and then oh, UI is just so annoying, and I don't know why it's breaking. Because I made it poorly. Be quiet. But it was a neat way to turn the kind of advice I would give to someone into a tool that they can turn on and off. Right, so if output, yep, great. That's not it either. It's always out of range. Why is it only doing that with this, right? Count plus no page. Is it saying that no page isn't a... But why would it be working up until the end? I just think it's getting out of bounds. Total values is 49. Temporary stat count is 6. Okay. So temp stat count needs to be factored in here somewhere. So if this is less than temp stat count minus make count, it's 0. How many is already made? Temp stat count. Temp stack total values. May need to be like a minus 6 or something. But this is... Cool. Yeah, so the hard part is how things work is pretty simple. How people think things work gets really complicated. And even when somebody has a way of thinking that works, they may not be working it correctly. There are all kinds of little bumps and reasons, right? So like creating a machine that they can insert into their brain that helps them organize, straighten things out, delete things, see new things, like that is what these tools are essentially. Hard part is it's harder for the tools in this game to know what's in people's heads because it's a highly customized space.
Yeah. Well, it's something that you usually do with machine learning if you want all this degree of freedom and adaptability.
So one of the reasons why it's hard is, well, so in either case, meeting people halfway. If people meet the system halfway and then the system meets them halfway, they cover more ground, right?
Okay.
If the more that people kind of work with how the system works and the more the system takes in input from the user, the better. So this is an indented node, and we're going to say pick sound effect 1 and exit. So now it's going to count the lights, and if the thing is there, it's going to do that sound effect. Save, X, and we're going to run that on the Overwatch. The Overwatch takes a program and runs it every turn. It runs it every turn for you. So if I do this, it just ran it, and the output is 4 because there's 4 lights, right? You do this, you're getting closer. You're supposed to ignore it. Ooh, that's a squid from Splatoon. Nice. I'm sure Bleach will love that one. Right? And we said 18's the number. Here we go. Not quite, and well, that's the number. Is it not even okay? So, is it if it's not even running it because it's off the screen? That's some weird bug. But I'm just gonna add some notes to the bottom of it, just for fun. So. Target cell at random and target cell at random. Okay. Good old bugs.
Are the lectures in Enlighten Gold supposed to have dialogue? Because
No, I stripped all that out for the most part.
all right,
Here's your screen. Let me try this. You just need to get through lecture 0 and lecture 1 to unlock puzzle mode. Okay, I'm just putting it on the screen now. Cool. So this Hayden helper needs to be working. Do it. Overwatch. Run it, Hayden helper. There we go.
Well, it's time to barter speech.
Count lights.
It's
If output. Huh?
It's time to use my friend information.
Oh. Oh, you mean me use your friend code or?
Yeah, the friend code that you give me. Just friend code.
Oh, yeah. So it's supposed to be playing this sound, and what I like about this is I wanted people to be able to try new.
It's cool to go over the notes of just because he's screening my same shape that I'm not able to resolve.
Yeah. So what I like about this is you can click this at any time, and it'll do whatever it says. So I wanted people to be able to shift into new strategies and new mindsets, but half the time
You are
that's like a really funny feeling for them instead of something really concrete. So I built a system to where like, hey, count the lights. You can count the lights, so can this. Boom. Hey, check out how many there are. If it's 20, go here. Hey, feedback. This is what it's supposed to sound like if there's over 20.
you're streaming on Twitch, right? Right now.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, was I not? Yeah, I wasn't streaming anywhere else, was I?
Yeah, no problem. Okay. Pop out. Pop out. Where are you, pop out?
If go to node back, it's just supposed to go forward. Maybe this is it. All right, Zero. Any questions?
Yeah, where are all the puzzles?
They're in your head. You must add them yourself.
Oh,
But first, you must make note.
first what?
You must make notes. There was a feature in the original Enlighten where you can add puzzles from the notes that you save.
Fuck.
Something wrong?
No, I got what I was missing. Thanks to the notes.
Oh, sorry. Are you streaming right now? To
Yeah, I on YouTube. Did I put the link
you?
or not?
Oh, I don't think so.
Yeah, it's on everything else.
Oh, so I'm the one who's wrong. No. Okay, cool. Go to the Explore. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hey, is this normal? I only clicked it one time, but it made this shape.
Yes, that's gold. Enlighten
Oh,
gold.
so this is like a different version of
Yeah,
Enlighten? Like it
it's
plays differently?
it's like if you could play Enlighten again without knowing all the stuff, you'd be reset. So this is your reset. It's a brand new. Everything is different. Well, the rules are different. Therefore, the whole game is different. And now it's up to you to be able to learn the game, but you don't have any puzzles given to you this time, so you got to make all that yourself.
What's the name of this one? Come on.
Go ahead and click the arrow again. Whenever you make a two-click puzzle, or a one-click puzzle, it saves it as a two-click, so you just have to solve it again to fix it. Yeah, there you go. It only affects two-click puzzles for whatever reason. Don't mess with that. That's gonna break you.
Ah,
Hmm. Points per row.
Well, it is cool to see. I was. I don't know exactly why, but I've gone back on some of the old level I already done and perfect,
Hmm.
and I hit some button to experimenting. And I did without thinking about exactly where to click, and I ended up with some figure I usually step in, so I got the solution for that that figure.
Hmm.
Was kinda cool.
Hmm.
They don't have the name yet, but I know how to crack them. It was even more useful than to go in the exploration mode.
This is a feature that, I mean, it's not working, but that after you start making these different Overwatch systems and you're building out things to help yourself see differently and alert yourself to stuff. Then at any point when you're playing, you can be like scan the entire history of what I played and it'll calculate whether or not this conditions
Oh,
on
cool.
any of the turns. So if you're ever just like, did I do that? And you're like, I'm 100 turns in. I don't want to go back. You're like, this is like, okay, click it. There you go. Except for it's not working at all. I can't get a single conditional to work. Hit save. Sarah, you hit save.
Yeah.
You hit save after you paste it in. There you go. What does that say?
Uh-oh.
Hold on, let me zoom in. Just error in object mobile grid maker undefined value at step 0, line 1. Alright. Let me check. I don't know why that's happening when people load in the friend data. might need to delete the friend file in your It's gonna be tricky. You have to boot it back up, delete the friend code from Enlighten, and then save and quit, and then you'll have to delete that file out of your. You go ahead and boot back up and wait on the title screen. You can close that, yeah.
So what do I do now?
Boot back up, and I'll help you delete the friend code so that it doesn't break when you enter puzzle mode.
Okay, I will go to bed.
All right, thanks for playing. Oh, so go to go to Bit Master, click that one, then click delete friend,